So guys, I couldn't find my stapler, so we had to wait for that wall. Since this already has backing on it, we can easily put this whole wall with all the insulation in it. That wall I need the stapler. I have the staples, I just got to find the stapler. I don't know where it's at. So let's start, and we'll start putting insulation in. All these short little runs underneath here. We'll get out the Okay guys, well, our next step for this wall, we're going to sheetrock first, and we're going to insulate from the back side. Since we still have to knock down this wall here, it'll give us all the space from the back side. But first, God, I'm dying. First, we need to measure 8 feet. That's 8 feet. Right there. Lands on this stud here. That'll give us ample room to screw in and actually get the sheetrock put on.
What's that saying?
I don't know what he was saying. He was saying that it wouldn't work.